So Wall Street elites did something beyond repugnant today, and it needs to be called out. They decided that they were going to flex their monetary muscle. They were going to show ordinary people exactly who's in charge, and they did that because ordinary people were defying the status quo in ways that Occupy Wall Street could never dare. And they did it from the comfort of their own home. That's right. People didn't have to set up tent cities. They didn't have to block off traffic. All they had to do was get together on Reddit. They decided they were going to buy up Gamestop. They were going to buy up AMC. And all of that was a joke at first to Wall Street. They even came up with a term for it, meme stocks. Now that mockery, however, was very short-lived. The stock prices, they went through the freaking roof. And Wall Street learned a valuable lesson. They learned that when they go in and they shortchange stocks, they bet against companies that something like this, it's not only going to cost them money, in some instances it might actually bankrupt them. Suddenly, the tone of everything shifts. No longer do you have people on Reddit buying meme stock. Oh no, they're ists and they're phobes, according to CNN. They're Trump supporters. They're trying to tear the system down. Then you have moves like this, which are absolutely insane. GameStop, AMC trading now restricted by TD Ameritrade and Charles Schwab. And not only that, but you start seeing people banned on Discord, banned on Reddit, because hey, your screen names, oh no, they're not good. They're not good at all. So hey there, folks, by the way. Now this needs to be called out too. This needs to be put on blast, and I want to read you this, and I want to show you exactly why. So some major brokerage houses have begun to respond to the frenetic surge in prices of shares of certain companies that have been attributed to rapid buying by individual investors inspired by social media platforms. On Wednesday, TD Ameritrade said it was restricting trading in GameStop and AMC Entertainment Holdings, along with other names, amid a triple-digit percentage surge in the prices of those companies in recent days. Quote, in the interest of mitigating risk for our company, you notice that there, our company and our clients, they're looking out for number one there. We have put place several restrictions on some transactions in GME, AMC, and other securities. A spokeswoman for TD Ameritrade told MarketWatch, referring to the ticker symbols of the companies, we made these decisions out of an abundance of caution amid unprecedented market conditions and other factors. Here they're going to try to blame the beer bug, by the way. We need to go in and we need to do that because, well, things are really bad right now. And we don't want you interrupting the status quo. Charles Schwab bought TD Ameritrade but operates it as an independent retail brokerage, said that it has tightened margin requirements in some of those stocks, including GameStop. So basically what they're telling you is they're changing up the entirety of the game, making sure that when you play it, you play by their rules. A Schwab spokesperson said that the platform changed its margin requirements, limiting how much an investor can borrow on January 13th, and said it has placed, quote-unquote, restrictions in place on certain transactions in GME and other securities. The restrictive move comes as shares of the video game retailer GameStop have shot up 1,600% in January as traders gathering in online chat forums have gone on to take large bets on the stock using options, often out-of-money calls that pay off only if the stock rises in value over a set period. Again, only certain people can apparently play at that game. If you're not one of the power brokers, well, no, you can't do that at all. Traders on sites like Reddit's Wall Street Bets and using trading platforms including Robinhood, doesn't that scream movie, by the way? Taking money from the Wall Street's elites and putting it in the pockets of everyday citizens using Robinhood? Yeah, I can hear a movie in the making, which its initial conception was meant to be a social platform organized around the trading of stocks, has clashed with hedge fund investors, sparking a battle between prominent Wall Street short sellers and individual investors in game shares. A Robinhood spokeswoman said that officials at the trading platform continuously monitor the markets and adjust as we feel necessary for the benefit of our customers, which, by the way, apparently means going in and define what your consumers want. Robinhood said it also raised requirements for GameStop and AMC AMC to 100%, emphasizing that Robinhood doesn't allow shorting of equities and allow traders to trade naked options. However, the recent run-up of Gamestop and AMC Entertainment has been spilling over into other areas of the market, with the likes of Bed Bath & Beyond and retailer Express Inc. rocketing on Wednesday. Recent volatile trading had made some on Wall Street uneasy, with worries of a rapidly inflating bubble. The Dow Jones, they talk about the hits there and everything going on. Regulators have been mindful of recent action, with William Gamble, Massachusetts Secretary of the Commonwealth, telling Barron's in an exclusive statement on Tuesday that he is watching the action play out. This is certainly on my radar. I'm concerned, but it suggests that there is something systemically wrong with the options trading on this stock. There is something systemically wrong. We need to change up the entire system to keep you from going out and doing what you want with your money. Basically, we can do what we want with money, but you can't do that. Isn't that interesting how they rigged the game? Moreover, this situation has led to bannings beyond, as even the White House is starting to look in. Because like I said, you go out, you actually change up the status quo, well, you're not going to get treated like Occupy Wall Street. Oh no, you're going to get treated like so much a criminal. The GameStop saga, it took an unexpected twist, with shares plunging after investor group on Reddit closed temporarily. The Wall Street Bets public forum has fueled massive gains in a number of shares, but those companies' shares fell sharply after the forum temporarily turned invitation only. The trading frenzy has spread globally and has led to a White House alert. GameStop has been the main focus of attention of traders, having seen its share prices rise over 300% in the last week. Experts say it is the result of a fight between private and professional investors. You like that, by the way. Professional investors, people who do this for a living. You can't defy them. After some frenetic trading activity, Reddit moderators closed the Wall Street Bets forum to make adjustments after it was blocked on chat app Discord due to obscene content. We blocked all bad words with a bot, which should be enough, but apparently if someone can say a bad word in weird Unicode, Icelandic characters, and someone can screenshot it, you don't get to hang out with your friends anymore. Read a message from group moderators after Wall Street Bets reopened. Discord said it's a decision to block the forum had nothing to do with that stock price impact at all, though. No, not at all, of course. And of course, all of this, it has the regulators watching. The GameStop issue has caught the attention of the White House and other officials. Press secretary said Joe Biden's economic team, including newly appointed Treasury Secretary, was monitoring the situation. U.S. Stock Exchange NASDAQ's chief executive said exchanges and regulators should watch whether anonymous social media posts could be driving pump and dump schemes. If we see a significant rise in the chatter on social media, and we also match that up against unusual trading activity, we will potentially halt that stock to allow ourselves to investigate the situation. So they'll go in if they see something that they don't like, and they will pause trading on specific stocks, because it's not up to the company anymore. It's not up to individuals anymore. No, it goes back to that private versus professional, to the point that it's regulated by the White House itself. If that doesn't offend you, I don't know what will. Like I said, so messed up. But anyway, I wanted to put this out there. There's so much to it and more. If you want to learn more about it too, let me know. But anyway, let me know what you think about this. As always, appreciate the heck out of you. And if you want to help the channel out, well, there's some stock you could invest in, as it were. We have a comic book there. Check that sucker out. And as always, appreciate the heck out of you, and we'll see you soon.